Yura just gave me 70 euros.
Let's find foundation. She wanna try.
Expert. Good morning, guys. It's a very beautiful sunny day and Yura just gave me 70 euros. We are going to Supernova to grab some makeup products and we are going to test them out. So yeah, if you want to see how this makeup turns out, just keep on watching.
Here I am, the makeup slave boy, carrying the basket for my madam.
Hi!
Let's find foundation. Foundation's the biggest struggle, is it? Have you owned a brand before?
No, I haven't
Pupa.
actually. So
Pupa.
yeah.
Pupa means like a girl in our country, is it? Pupi. Pupika.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to try this one in the shade 020. I think it's the best for my skin. It's full coverage, but
Full coverage and hydrating.
yeah.
I guess
So
that's
we are
impossible to
all-
find, so we see.
So yeah.
It's all marketing words that usually don't work in real life, but yeah.
We're going to try it. It's very intense.
Cool. So it will be a dark look.
Yeah.
Dark look
I'm picking this one.
with sparkles in it. Sparkles on a whole lid.
Sparkly
Smoky
look.
eyes with sparkles.
I choose this L'Oreal lip paint and L'Oreal waterproof mascara because I like waterproof.
It's nice. Ooh, ooh, ooh. One of my favorite brands actually. Quite cheap, good quality, especially for powders. Not the eyeshadows, these suck, but these, my.
Choose blush.
How much money do we have left?
15 euros.
Cool. Black by Essence, how much?
2 euros.
Put it in. Pow. She wanna try.
I want to see if it's my color.
So what'd you say?
I have very dark hairs on my brows, so I think I will take it.
Looks alright, yeah?
Yes.
We're spending even more because I was thinking we should do a whole styling next time, you know? Buying clothes as well and then shoes. Here we are walking home with all the stuff in the hands because we didn't buy.
Plastic bags.
Exactly, because we're saving the fish, we're saving the planet. So see you in the studio. Ciao! Let's try the foundation first. Pupa made to last. I wonder how long it will last. I bet it's a dry foundation because when I put it on my hand, it's liquidy at first, but then it dries out completely. Therefore, I put a lot of, not a moisturizing, but actually a greasy cream on Gaja. So that this will stick together. So it's like grease with this foundation will work just fine. Let's see first if this eyeshadow is any good. Because usually when you try stuff in the store, everything looks beautiful because you push your finger in. And then when you come home, you're like, whoa! First of all, this one drops down. So it's a lot of drop off. Even though I kicked the brush. Therefore, I think it would be better if I would be applying it with my hand. And I think that's how you should buy eyeshadows as well. You know, you should go with the brush in the store because that's how you would be able to know how the eyeshadow actually looks. This would look awesome if baby blue was more pigmented. Because look how we match the colors. Orangey hair, hazelish eyes. We wanted to do a vampy makeup because Gaia bought this. But then when I put her on the light, I realized that if I would do a dark makeup, this face wouldn't be glowing. So we changed our mind, and you see, this is what's going on now. I'll apply black here, just in a point, just on the outer corner, and then when she looks up, here, boom, down, and that's it. I'll just lift her eyes. Okay. Lifting the eyes further by putting this pencil here on the outer corner, just here. Comb them first, especially if they're thick, so that you know what you're working with. And then I'll pencil them in, because I bet this pencil is quite dark. If the pencil is too dark, you really need to be careful how you play with it, because the brows can easily get too Instagram-like. So just like this, and then I'll comb them so that I blend it all together, and that's it. This is how I'll make her face slightly fuller, so more plump. Just this part on the apples of the cheeks, then on the forehead, top of the forehead, to comb her baby hair down, then tip of the nose down, down, a bit on the chin, and that will be it. Because she actually, like, you could contour with this, because it's not too brown, it's sort of taupe, but you need to do it with a fluffy brush so that you get a nice gradient. This, no. Now all Gaia needs is a mascara, and I start applying it on the lower part of the eyes, because this is how she will look like having stars in the eyes. You'll see they get like doo. That lip gloss we bought would completely ruin the look. I just wanna keep her bubbly. That's why pinky lip gloss, and this is butter gloss, yeah, by NYX, which are very hydrating. Ta-da, mama, done. You know when sometimes you have an idea of what kind of a makeup you'll do and things just don't go as planned. As soon as you notice that, just switch your mindset. Just say this won't be working and drop the makeup, put something else on, and hope it doesn't happen to you when you're buying makeup. You know, you really need to think when you go in the store, trying everything. Like the pencil for the brows was way too dark. Like, we've really struggled with that. So test makeup before you buy and you'll save a lot of money. See you soon. Say ciao ciao to
Ciao.
Gaia. Bye.
Bye.